Uh, Very good evening to you all, friends, and I hope your trading has been really good and you're able to utilize the profits which can be made in this stock market. There's only one thing I think I would like to share. Let me just share you one video which I just uh, created. Anyway, let me tell it in my own words. What was the trades we made today? Let me just, these were the trades. Somehow pre-market we were planning to go short in Lalpat lag below 2490 and target was 2478. Uh, so 2490 here we got a trigger somewhere around 915 or so, and in fact it retested once 2492 and then I think yes 930 around, yeah. So there was a test and all targets were met. And then Pidilite was there. Then we had ITC in radar. We had HDFC CAMS futures, and this also performed. In fact, HDFC CAM, I think, right from the opening was just falling. HDFC Life also we had mentioned is weak, and that also went down. Then we had UPL and SBI cards. Uh, UPL also was looking for short. SBI card, I think. So this was for a sell below 7, sorry, buy above 772. Uh, this, in fact, moved just 1 point and hit, I think, the stop loss. 768 was a stop loss. So for 4 points loss was to be taken. Apart from that, we also shorted Divis Lab and 3,900 put from 96, I think, went 112. Right at the opening, we mentioned to scalp Fin Nifty 21,500 put. Uh, we saw also mentioned Nifty huge sellers coming. Please be careful if you are long. And Bank Nifty is holding the upside. This was the trade in Fin Nifty from 56. I think this went to about 70 plus or so. Uh, In fact, we also mentioned that Bank Nifty we are bullish, looks bullish, and Nifty is slightly bear. Manappuram we then traded Aditya Birla. We in fact holding it. Gujarat Gas 13.5 to 14.8. This was another trade in Nifty 22,100 from 104 it went to 180 plus. So slightly productive kind of a product profitable day. At the closing, we mentioned that HDFC Bank, though the closing looks positive, we expect the results to be neutral. And the expectations on HDFC is bank, I mean, very, very high. If not able to surpass previous growth, then slightly negative to flat opening. So if you look at the HBD, um, in the ADR, basically in HDFC Bank's ADR. Let me just HDFC Bank ADR. Okay, it has just dropped from 65.5. It has dipped down to 61.5, almost more than 5%. It's a very bad situation we can expect. We were saying that we are slightly negative, but looks like can be a very big negative tomorrow. Let's hope people who are uh, not stuck at the wrong side. Uh, these are the stocks we are looking for tomorrow. We are looking at AB Capital. AB Capital has moved very well. It has retested 173, moved up to 182, and currently looks slightly bearish. We may think of shorting this if it is not able to sustain. Uh, if it is not able to sustain 179.8, then we will look at shorting this. Apollo tires also, if the same is not able to sustain, uh, in fact, this has been really, moving up nicely and strong. Uh, Chances are that it can retest this level of 469. MGL has also been moving pretty positive. Delta Corp has been also pretty strong and positive. But what we can see in Delta Corp is the pattern. It is tending to look slightly. Now it's a channel up. We can expect the price. Now it may trade in this range. It may slow down here and come to 145 levels also. ABFRL, let me remove all the drawings. So, yes. So this again looks pretty good. It has kind of formed a W pattern here. Here we can see it is taking support at every dip and then moving up strongly. It has, of course, tried to create new highs. So trading in this range is what we observe. What I can also see is it has not able to move above 248, hit 225, retested 236, and possibility that it can to hit 22 triple two in a day or two. SRF also, if you see the charts, this also has been trading in this range. Uh, it has tried to move strongly up, and uh, right now I can see that it has moved, dipped 2283. It has tested 2379, come down to 2323, and the next possible target or test it can be 2411. Uh, we also as we so these are the stocks we're looking at for tomorrow. What is that we're expecting in Nifty is that Nifty, if you see, has has been trading in this channel. It gave us this nice breakout. It has retested this channel, and in fact today I think uh, it tried to break yesterday's high and then move down strongly. So the support or major levels for tomorrow I can see Nifty is 21,977. Below this I can see 21,920 and 21,888. And on the upside, uh, if price is able to sustain about 22,060, then we can see 22,120, sorry, uh, 096 and 22,130 or so. So these are the levels we're expecting. If otherwise, if it trades within this range, then price may get stuck and we may not see any proper positive move, upside or downside. In case of Bank Nifty, for me the level has strong level is uh, in spot is 48,000. Sorry, below 48,000, uh, we may see, sorry, 47,880 and 47,694. And on the upside, if price is able to sustain above 48,200, then we may see 48,320 and 48,450 or 470. So let us see how market behaves tomorrow. Uh, the other thing I would like to bring your attention is the China. If you have seen this news, it has to revive its debt. It is adding 139 billions. So you may say why with creating special bonds. So you may say when they are bringing in 139 billion, is it not good to the market? Well, it means also the other way, if you look at it, means that there is a lot of debts. Number one. Now, to clear this, uh, they are generating bonds, but one day or the other, they need to sell these bonds, or uh, so. Uh, so it's basically a negative for the market, especially the China market. Uh, Let us see the world market, how it has behaved. The world indices. I think Money Control will give us, or investing.com will give us. So this is the world indices. We can see Dow Jones is already 360 points down. Most of the market is down. Gift Nifty is also down 21,851. This is the Japan market. The China market closing also has been negative. So this is China is one of the how it can affect India is because of course you may say that China market the moment after this news it was up. Some most of the steel sectors were up if you see if you rightly check. Uh, However, past that we have already seen the results here. So let us see how the market behaves. This can be the the results of NDFC or not, but at least the next. If you see the NDFC ADR doesn't look great, and as per our view, also we are expecting a slightly negative opening to flat in NDFC Bank. Uh, uh, be cautious. Do not go aggressive longs. Uh, Always be prepared for the worst, and that way you are more more at ease and can plan accordingly. Because if you are not prepared for the worst, you always tend to be being over enthusiastic and can possibly add too much of huge funds and get stuck at the higher levels. Saying this, I would like to thank you all for joining, and God bless you. Hope you have a profitable day tomorrow. Please do join our subscribe our channel. Channel name is I think Chat Speak. And good day and God bless you all.